Hello again, good friends. Welcome, new subscribers. I'm Brian from Apex Detail. As a follow-up video to the last one, I had a lot of questions asking about the M550 Rotary. What backing plate can it handle? What attachments can it handle? And what attachments are available? So I'm going to go through all of those. And to give you a quick and simple answer, the only thing it will not handle is the larger 7-inch backing plate and pads. And to be quite honest, I don't use them anyways. Even on the full-size Rotary, the Drill Master, or the DeWalt, I'm going to use the 5-inch backing plate and pads that are meant for them. So let's head out into the shop. I'll show you all the attachments and pads and backing plates available for the Polisher, and also what can it handle. Let's get going. Here is the MacShine M550 Rotary. We just showcased it. You're welcome to go watch that video, but I want to show the attachments and the backing plates and all the accessories that can go along with the Rotary. And if you don't have one by now, I would really consider adding one to your arsenal. It'll cut the best, it'll finish the best once you get used to it, and with all the attachments and accessories, there's really nothing you can't do. The extensions here, I made my own sleeve for it. You have 1, 2, 3, 5, 7-inch backing plates and pads to match. MacShine has their own pads and compounds. I'll get to them in a bit, but my favorite is using the 5-inch backing plate and the Lake Country pads. And that sounds like a great place to start. So let's start there with the 5-inch backing plate, a Lake Country hybrid pad. I also like to attach the Lake Country low-lint pre-washed lamb's wool pad, and they are excellent for cutting. Not overly aggressive, and they finish down very well. They keep the temperature down on the surface of the vehicle while you're cutting. Very effective and very quick. I'm going to shut my yap here while the machine is in use. I just want you to pay attention how smooth it is and how smooth running the little 550 watt motor is. It doesn't bog. That was just under the 3rd speed setting to cut. And when I finish, I'll start out low and then bump it up little by little from there. Switch to the 3-inch backing plate and the pads according to what you're doing, and you'll be able to squeeze in tight areas, work on the pillars. Attach the extensions and put the 1-inch or 2-inch backing plate. You'll be able to reach in tight areas where you need the machine itself backed off a bit, and this works perfectly. The extensions are milled perfectly, so you can break them down, you can put them all together, and if you have a pad that is put together right, there will be no vibration whatsoever. When it comes to interiors, you could use it to clean seats, vinyl, plastic, leather, floor mats. It just depends what attachments you purchase for it. And for another little fun tool, hey, it's all about the details. This little extension of the Rotary here is the Nano Polisher. You can use this to polish around emblems and door handles, tight, hard to reach areas, and as long as you have the 5/8 threads M14, it will work. Now they do have longer arms for the attachment, so you don't have to have the cart bumped right up against you while you're using it, but 4 foot is still effective and you'll be able to get the job done. Finish polishing around the emblems, well then it's time to work around the door handles and the door jambs. We leave no stone unturned. Okay, so to be crystal clear, the polisher was made with the 3-inch backing plate in mind, but I'm telling you it will handle the 5-inch and whatever pad you attach to it, correcting, cutting, and finishing a small car, mid-sized car, SUV. It won't overheat, it won't bog down, plus there are so many other attachments that will go along well with it. If you have any questions on the unit or any of the attachments, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail, catch you in the next video.